Hi everyone, I'm Beta Delisi, and in this video we're going to talk about who has the right to end tenancy when the lease ends. We often get an overwhelming number of calls from agents or landlords asking us, the lease is coming to the end of its term, can we end the tenancy? Or the tenant is not the greatest tenant, when the lease comes to the end of the term, can we end the tenancy? And the hard answer to these two questions is a hard no. When a fixed term tenancy comes to the end of its term, that relationship carries forward on a month to month. You see, tenants have security of tenure, and that's in the law. And what that means is that tenants are entitled to continue their tenancy after the 1-year fixed term comes to an end and the tenancy carries forward on a month to month. Landlords can end the tenancy when the lease comes to an end. However, they must have cause or reason to do so. For example, if the landlord, their parent, their child, or their caregiver require possession of the property, they can serve notice, file with the board, wait the delays until they get to a hearing, or landlords can pursue to offer the tenant some sort of a buyout or a cash for keys or a settlement, something that's enticing or of value that the tenant will agree to end the tenancy. You see, there's only 3 ways that the tenancy can be terminated. Number 1, if the tenant decides to leave and gives notice. Number 2, by mutual agreement. And number 3, by way of a court or a board order. Now, I know what a lot of landlords are thinking is, well, I own this property and the laws are all for the tenant. And that's not true. The law is there to balance both sides. The issue is that anytime a landlord wants to receive an order to evict, they have to file the appropriate notice to end the tenancy, have a hearing, and then the board will decide whether or not that tenancy will come to an end. We hope you found this video informative. Call us first if you have any issues with your tenants.